Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you this delicious and easy chicken tandoori without any oven recipe that will surely blow your mind. Let's jump right in. So I have 1 kg of chicken. I'm using the leg and thigh pieces. And now with my knife, I'm going to cut deep cuts into the chicken so that the flavors and the masalas actually seep in so that you get that juicy and delicious bite every time. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And you can add salt according to your taste. I'm adding half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I'm gonna mix until well combined. And now I'm gonna cover and keep for 3 to 4 hours. Now in a bowl, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of warm ghee, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, and I'm gonna mix well. I'm going to add hang yogurt, 4 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and I'm gonna mix well. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half teaspoon of kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves. Now I'm gonna mix well. You can add a pinch of food color, which is optional, and I'm gonna mix well. I'm coating my chicken with the mixture and I'm making sure that all the mixture goes inside the cuts properly. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to a pan. And now you're going to place the chicken and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. Once it's cooked, you're going to flip the chicken and you're going to cook again for another 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. Now coat the mixture with the paprika and the warm butter mixture. And now I'm going to take, like a stand on. You can find it anywhere. You can use a grill pan or anything, and you're gonna grill the chicken. So there you have it, a delicious and easy chicken tandoori recipe that we made without an oven, and it tastes even exceptionally well, even better than a tandoori chicken made with an oven. So I really hope you like this recipe. If you did, please give a like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Bye!